I made this lovely pound cake. It's a lemon cream cheese pound cake, one of our favorites. It's an old family recipe, but the directions were perfect except for my oven. So what happened, I got some burnt pieces and the cake actually stuck to my pan. So never fear, don't throw this cake away. It is perfectly good. When you taste this cake, it is so moist, it is so yummy, full of flavor. I would never throw it away. All you need to do is take a serrated knife and just cut the bottom off of the cake, just like that. And see, I have this piece. Take this piece, don't throw it away because it's still good. Just put it there. And what I did, I take my icing spatula and I went around the cake and just carefully shaved off the burnt edges of the cake. And this cake smells so good. And just gently rub it off, okay? For the broken piece, some people will go ahead and put icing here and put the cake back together. But in this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually take the cake and cut it up into individual slices and adorn them with my Ready Whip or glaze it and put fruit on it. And it is so good, it's still good. So never throw away the cake, okay? Now I made a glaze just out of lemon flavoring, confectioner sugar, and just a little bit of water, just to enhance that lemon flavor. So when you bite into it, you get a little extra. And of course, you have to have this. And all we need to do, put our berries on. Now, how pretty is this? What a nice little dessert.